Good morning class. As we have completed half portion of the chapter, now I will explain the next part of the chapter. As you know, this is an extract of an autobiography, and this autobiography is written by Renald Durrell, and he is describing about his childhood when he lived in a house with his mother, his brother, and a dog. And there were two guests, Leslie and Margot. Leslie and Margot. And the house was surrounded. In the front of house there was a big garden, and the garden was covered with surrounded with a wall, and the wall is made up of with bricks, and it was plaster, but now it is very old wall, so there was so many cracks on the wall, and because of the wall is look like a map, means there was image of a image that is look like a map of any country and or any place. And there were so many kinds of small animals like frog, scorpion, and other insect, and the boy liked to watch these type of animals in morning and also at the night. And once he found out a scorpion with his babies, and he captured the scorpion and kept it on a matchbox, and went to the dining room to take dinner with his family. But when his brother Larry found out the matchbox to light up his cigarette, when he opened the matchbox, the scorpion jumped over the hand of his brother. Now he was very frightened, and now next part of the chapter. And with it there was a rapid change from peace to chaos, means the movement or the atmosphere of the house was now very changed, and some time before it was very peace and they are very happy and talking to each other and enjoying the lunch, but now there was only noise, chaos because of the scorpion. Thoroughly enraged at this treatment, the creature means scorpion, spat out Leslie, means the scorpion is going toward Leslie. Her sting as I told you means dung. Querying means काँप रहे थे. With emotion, Leslie leapt to his feet, overturning his chair. Overturning means मोड़ देना, घुमा देना. And clicked out separately with his napkin, sending the scorpion rolling across the floor toward Margot, who promptly let out to scream that any railway engine would have been proud to produce. मीन्स वो ऐसे काँपने लगता, मार्गो जैसे लगता किसी ट्रेन का इंजन हो वो आवाज़ कर रहा हो. Ek looked out, they are coming, screamed Margot. Margot is shouting now that they are coming toward us. All we need is a book. The Miss Scorpion and with his babies coming toward Margot and Leslie. All we need is a book. All they need was a book. Roared Leslie, don't panic, hit them with a book. Leslie said that don't panic means डरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, hit them with a book. Mother completely what they want to do, they want to hit the scorpion with the help of a book. Mother, completely bewildered by this sudden and rapid change from peace to chaos, means the mother was very disturbed to see all these things, put her glasses and peered down the table to, means went down to see what was causing the pandemoniums and at that moment Margot, in a vain attempt to stop the scorpion advance, hurled a glass of water at it. वो मार्गो क्या करते, जब उसकी मदर झुक के देखना चाहती कि क्या हो रहा है ये सब, तो इस मार्गो ने ग्लास का वाटर गिरा दिया. The shower of water missed the animal completely, but successfully drenched mother, who won't being able to stand cold water, promptly lost her breath and sat gasping at the end of the table, unable even to protest. मीन्स मदर बहुत ज़्यादा डर जाती हैं. Get the knife, hit them with a book, shouted Larry. Larry क्या कहता है कि एक नाइफ लो और उसके ऊपर हिट करो. मीन्स Larry is saying that you have to hit the scorpion with the help of knife or book. The boy will kill the lot of us. Look at the table, knee deep in scorpion, kill them. Larry is saying that kill the scorpion. Oh no, don't hurt them, I will catch them. Who said? The boy said that please don't hurt them, means don't kill them, I will catch them. I pleaded until eventually backed up by mothers. Leslie suggested that the whole lot be killed was fast. मीन्स उसको किल करने से वो मना करता है और उसकी मदर ने भी वो रिजेक्ट कर दिया. By the time a certain amount of the order had been restored, all the baby scorpion had hidden themselves under the various plate and bite of cluttery. The result of this incident were numerous. While the family is still feeling angry and frightened, moved to the sitting room, I spent half an hour rounding up to the babies, picking them up in a teaspoon and returning them to their mother's bag. Then I carried them out on a saucer and then I carried them out on a saucer. मीन्स क्या होता है, Leslie and Larry decided to kill all the insect scorpion with his baby, but the boy requested them to don't kill the animal. So after then he decided to catch all the babies and leave. They decided to put all the babies on the top of his mother, and he spent many time in collecting all these babies, and he released them on the garden. Then the boy released all the babies and mother scorpion on the garden again. Roger and I went and spent the afternoon on the hillside, for I felt it would be wise and allow the family to have a break before seeing them again. Means his family was very angry with him because of scorpions, so he decided to leave the house for some time. Larry developed a phobia. Phobia means डर about the matchbox, but from my point of view, the worst repulsion of all whole affair was that mother decided to try to stop me from exploring the animal. You are running wild again. It is high time to receive a little more education, she said. I am getting you a tutor. मीन्स उसकी मदर कहती है अब तुम ये सब सारे काम को बंद कर दो और तुमको क्या ज़रूरत है, पढ़ाई करने की ज़रूरत है. Repulsion means means you can say an unintended, unwelcome situation or event. Means unhappy event, you can say. And now what you have to write in your copy is Now I will tell you the meaning of what you have to write in copy. You have to first complete all these word meaning in your copy, and then I will give you some hard work that you have to write in your copy, and then in the next video we have to complete our question answer.